Hello, hello. Welcome to the summertime mini album, 5 1/4 by 6 1/2 by 1 3/4 with 6 pages. Absolutely adorable and cute. You are going to absolutely love it. So with that in mind, I will share the finally complete finished book with last minute touches and everything. So this is Echo Park Summertime, and we also have the ephemera, and we have summer paper pad, and we have the solid cardstocks from Echo Park. So that's a great combination. So this is your album. Really cute. Lots of 4x6 photo options, and it's going to be amazing. Really cute panel on the side, and if you want more stickers, they are available in the kit to pick them out. But this is what I decided to use, and there are extra pieces for anybody that wants to do this album and have fun and just mix it up a little bit. So beautiful, fun, great colors, bold, bright, soft, fabulous. And we popped this up, fussy cut this, and added the title. Really cute. I added the borders. And are you ready for inside? This little album showcases majority of pocket and booklets, because that's how we get the best and the highest number of photos and get it done. Isn't this cute? We always coordinate left to right. And for this one, we have the cute pocket, some fun accents, and inside is the first little booklet. This one has a Velcro dot, and it's like an envelope pouch. And when you open it, it will hold, I just put a couple mats in. There's 3 or 4, 3 in here. 4x6 photo mats, just to show you that they fit. The sides go down. Now, I only tape this on lightly, so if they want to change it, they can, because I'm not sure who's getting this little one. So we then forward and pop down, and look at that. This is where if you have some dies and different things in your collection, otherwise these are not supplied. Okay, so you will have to pull out your dies and use them and have some fun. So we have our first section, and in we go. You just have to be gentle with them. Now, this from first look doesn't exactly tell you, but this is a magnet page. The magnets are in here, and see how they grab? Well, normally you would be putting photos, just real photos, and sticking that on. Really cute, holds a whole bunch. But when I was all done today, I went back and I found some more paper. And the combo of the double-sided paper was so cute that I quick put it together, grabbed another print, added some fun ribbon, and another one of the ephemera. So we ended up with an extra booklet, which will go right there, and it's held in with the magnets. And look at the cute little birdie. Isn't that adorable? Colors coordinate. Now, are you ready for a splash of yellow and blue? Absolutely amazing. Really cute, fun combo, blue, yellow. Use some of the ephemera again. Put some titles on here. And for fun, these little tags were made as extras, and they are using the stickers, and just really cute. You can leave them, use them for something else, or you could be putting journaling on the tags to put in, to highlight some of the things that are in the booklets. I'm going to put that aside for now. Booklet number 1. Now, I did another tag because this was part of the ephemera, and you can use it. Now, this one has a little tab again. Now, if you want to glue that down, that it's permanent, I would just shorten these and leave them on because it looks cute just like that. I would just leave it, and that could be your decorator piece. Now, there is other pieces. If you want to change that, the option is there, and I'm going to set that aside for now. So for this one, we have a fun flip open, and we have a flip down. It's hard to get this all in one screen. Flip down and flip open, and look at the fun colors, but perfect 4x6s. Double sides here, flip up and cover down, and a fun closure. Put back this. Just remember, you can also use odd photos, can go in with the booklets if you want to add more photos. Or if you want to put a 4x6 journaling tag, there's no problem with doing that either. We still have lots and lots of options that will fit in these little books. Okay, now, this is where this one went there. Okay, and this is the one I took out of here. And we have another fabulous, fun booklet. Really cute, different things that were in the ephemera. Again, I grabbed some more of the coloring to compensate with the blue and yellow and keep it going the same. And inside, we started with a mean white base, but look at the fun yellow and blue. And big, big photo ops in here. Absolutely fabulous. Super cute. In we go. And from the blues, we went back to really super fun. Look at the strawberries and the little bee and the watermelons. Really, really cute. So we have another pocket. And for this booklet, we have a waterfall. Now it opens and you can add a photo or journaling, or a small photo and journaling, your option, but lots of photo ops in here. And we go right into the very depth at the bottom. So lots and lots of photos, front and back, whatever you decide. You could do photo up and journal down, or journal up and photo down. These are so versatile. Really cute. This one is expandable, and we did the little variegated border on the side. So it opens, and it opens again. Now this one will hold even more than this one booklet that is in here. So we'll take out this cutie. And for this one, it opens, and we have color. Absolutely fabulous, fun, fun color. Now, I used to just grab these and pull them out and show you lots and lots of photo things going on. But in the meantime, I discovered it's just as easy to look at this side and open it this way, or open the other way, and you don't even have to flop it all out, and you get to see inside can be photo or journaling, but you basically can view just by flipping it sideways both ways, left and right. Isn't that fabulous? So, fun, cute, as you notice, lots and lot of photo ops, and you can put loose photos. So we have got a fabulous, fun, super cute, mega prints, mini album called Summertime, and it's going to be amazing to use as a gift or for something you want for yourself. Thanks for joining me. Hope you love it. Take care. Have a great day.